Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be packing and reorganizing my makeup bag for my upcoming getaway this weekend. I'm heading down to Calgary to party for my birthday. I cannot be more excited. So I need to pack a night out look and kind of a lighter makeup look for the daytime, and I just need to see what's actually happening in my makeup bag. It's like a bomb went off in there. I usually show you the state of my makeup bag right here right now, but I can't zip it. I can nearly lift it without things just falling out everywhere. So before we dive into this mess, I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay guys, get ready to gasp. It doesn't even close anymore. What I have done here, I haven't gone on a weekend away, nor have I taken this bag out of my office in a couple weeks. So every time I liked a product, I would just shove it in here to the point where it like no longer closes. Like the zipper would bust if I tried to. So I'm going to take everything out, sort it into categories to see how many things I have in each category. I probably am missing some things for specific ones, and yeah, I'm just gonna declutter and reorganize this thing. So I'm going to go in order of application so I don't get confused. So starting off with skincare, I will be packing my Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Moisturizer and my Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I recently reincorporated this moisturizer into my routine. I just finished my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, so I wanted to give this one another go, and it's really, really nice. So these are my skincare items for the morning. And then I have a couple things that just stay in my makeup bag. So I have a mini Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Spray as well as Hydro Grip Primer. I have a pair of tweezers, eyelash curlers, a sharpener, and I usually have one of these in there, which I'm going to throw in, which I like to shave my unibrow with. So I need these in my bag. And I'm going to pack my perfume right now. I have this beautiful vanilla one, as well as this K-Ali vanilla and musk one, and they're just easy to travel with and they smell really nice when you go out. So now this is what I had in my makeup bag for Complexion. So these are the foundations I have, and I'm actually going to leave these ones in there. I have been loving this Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum for every day. It's the perfect amount of coverage. It lasts so well on my oilier skin, and these are really nice for a fuller coverage look. These are the foundations I'd be wearing out at night. They're the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundations in the shades 1.5N and 2N. I've been kind of in between these two shades, so I've been mixing them up. So I'm going to pack that with me. And then for concealers, I had these three in here. So I had the Lancôme All Over Concealer, the Dior Forever Skin Correct concealers in two shades, and then I also had my LYS one. I think I'm just going to take my Lancôme All Over Concealer. It's the one I trust the most, and it also pairs really nicely with these three products. These do as well, but I just need really one. So these ones I'll put away for now. Now for my powders, I'm for sure bringing my Pat McGrath Under Eye Powder. This comes with me everywhere. And I think for my powder, I'm just gonna take the KOSAS one. It's a bit thinner and I've used it more and I just know what it wears like. I would take a loose version as well, but I just don't know if I'm gonna have enough room for that. But I really love the Rare Beauty one as well. It's my go-to loose powder. Now let's discuss brow products. I'm going to bring my Dior eye pencil, my Cosmetics brow cream, as well as the KOSAS Eyebrow. This is good for every day. It's just a lot softer, and at night if I want more impact in my brows, I'll go in with this gel. And they're all tiny, so it's fine. And for my eye primer, I'm just going to bring my Fenty Beauty one. I'll kick the Rare Beauty one to the curb just for right now. That sounded a lot more aggressive, but I just realistically only need one. Now for bronzer, this is what I had in my bag currently. I'm for sure going to keep my Fenty Beauty Amber. This has been a part of my everyday look for a while now. It's just like the perfect contour for where my skin tone is at. And I'm just a little bit worried I feel like I want to take these two, but I know I don't have unlimited space because I would like this for every day. Like it's such, I think I'll for sure pack this. Maybe not this. Maybe not the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, just because I feel like these two, I don't know what to do. I feel like I need something a bit more bold for nighttime. Maybe I'll put this to the side to think about it, but I kind of want to bring the Makeup by Mario contour stick or the sculpt stick because it's a bit more punchy and it might be good for like a nighttime look, you know? But maybe these two are enough. Okay, I'm just gonna think about this for a moment. Surprisingly, this is the only things I had in here for blush. So I had two shades in the Rare Beauty blushes, Believe and Hope, which are my two favorite shades out of their lineup in these. And I also had the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to just leave Hope out of these three, and I'm going to bring some other things. These feel right to me. I was just looking at my collection and I think this is the way to go. It doesn't feel right to leave this out of my presence. This is the Rose Inc Foxglove blush. I just need to bring it. It goes with me everywhere. I'm gonna still bring Hope, and I think this is a good powder option. This is M Cosmetics Baroque. Doesn't really show up on my hand right now, but it's a gorgeous, really nude blush. I hate packing my makeup because I suddenly want to bring everything. Like, am I gonna use this all on a 3-day weekend? Probably not, but since it's my birthday, and I don't know how my makeup is going to apply that day, I need options. So now for highlighter, I don't think I'm going to bring any of these. This one I really enjoy, but sometimes it's very sticky and kind of hard to work with. This one from TRINNY London is really nice and melty. It's so small, it might be a good option, but I think I'm going to put these two away. This is the Rare Beauty highlighter as well, which I have been liking mixing into the Rare Beauty blushes, but I don't know if I'm going to do that this trip. So I'm going to ditch these. And I'm going to bring these two instead. So a cream version and a powder version. This is NARS Fall de France, and this is TRINNY London Candlelight. Now touching back on bronzer and contour, I'm just gonna bring these two. So Glowish bronzer and the Fenty Beauty contour. I'm gonna leave these two behind because these together are enough. Especially where my skin tone is at. I think these would be too much for it right now. Now let's move on to eyes. I already have primer. Yes, I already do. So for my eyeshadow palettes, I had these two in here, and I think these are just gonna stay. I feel like I get everything I really need out of these, and I haven't been wearing that many eyeshadows. Actually, I think I'm just gonna bring this one right here instead of the two. And I'm just noticing I do not have any eyeliners in my makeup bag currently, which is crazy because how am I gonna do my double wing? So this is the only eyeshadow palette I'll be bringing, but now I need to pick some eyeliners to bring. I'm going to be wearing a black dress, so I don't think I'm going to do anything funky for my eyes, so I think I'm going to keep it to black and browns. Where's that Charlotte Tilbury one that I really like? Hello? Might need a liquid. Here it is. The classic eye powder pencil from Charlotte Tilbury is really nice and quick and easy to achieve the double wing. So these two are coming. Dark brown from Makeup by Mario is coming, and the black one as well. I'm actually going to bring a nude one just in case if I need to clean up between the double eyeliner. What's this? I did not know I had a brown version of the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. I'm going to bring that too. Eyeliners are small. Don't judge me. And sometimes my makeup goes wrong. Especially, I feel like my makeup always goes wrong on the most important days. I don't know why that is, but it's rude. Oh, I don't have a wipe right now. Ignore that. I also have these fun things that were in here. These are from Lemonhead. These are the glitters that they use in Euphoria. I thought this would be fun to go to the bar or something because they're very unique. I might just bring the one here, Houdini, which is like their most popular one, I believe. They're really interesting. This one's really cool because when the light isn't hitting it, it's completely see-through, but when the light does hit it, it looks like little blue LED lights. It doesn't shine like normal glitter. I put my phone flashlight so you can kind of see better. I feel like that'd be really cool at the bar. I'm just gonna take Houdini, but this other one is in the shade Phantom, which is a bit chunkier and it's a different kind of glitter, but it is still very see-through when the light's not hitting it. but it's just chunkier and sparklier. And these are all of the mascaras I had in my bag. I'm just gonna be taking MAC Stack and the Glossier. Actually, I'm gonna take the Annabelle Skinny one. They look pretty together. And before we pack up, this is the last category, lips. So for lip liner, I'm for sure taking Melt Bare, which is kind of like my everyday contour lip color. I'm gonna take Cinnamon, and I'll take the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine, kind of for my warmer nude. So contour, warmer nude, and like warm. I'm gonna for sure take a clear gloss with me. What color is this MAC color? Oh yes. That will come with me. That's the Stay Curious color, one of my favorites out of the Powder Kiss lineup. I think I'm gonna leave these Dear Dahlia ones. I don't think I'm gonna be using these bright colors. Bring Charlotte Tilbury Sexy Lips because it's tiny and it's always such a good classic. I'm gonna leave the Makeup by Mario one here. I've been using it a lot and I just want to switch it up. I don't know why I don't have this in here, but I need my Dior Lip Glow Oil in Rosewood. I was gonna try to venture out and bring something different, but I need to bring NARS Intimate for like my classic nude. And if I have room, I'm gonna squeeze in Teddy 2.0 from MAC just in case. I'm indecisive with lips. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm an overpacker. You know this already from all of my other videos like this. But now let's pack this up. I might have to pack this moisturizer with my actual skincare stuff, but everything fit. Are you guys surprised? And I put my little tools here and my eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I could shove like other things in here if I really wanted to later on. But other than that, I am packed and ready to go to Calgary. Look at that. She zips. She is heavy, but zipped. I've been procrastinating on doing this for far too long, but it feels good that I finally got to it. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like these types of videos, please let me know. It would help me out so very much. I'll make sure to link this makeup bag as well as its contents in the description down below, so feel free to check that out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.